Hi, I'm Lodewijk, and this is the introduction to my first commercial add-on for Expression Engine, Low Variables. Low Variables enables you and your users to manage site-wide settings and content in a safe and easy way. In this introduction, I'll show you how to install and set up the add-on and guide you through the different screens. So let's start. This is my awesome sandbox site. It already has a couple of user-defined global variables, which can be found in the Templates section of the Expression Engine control panel. I want regular site editors to be able to edit their values, but I also want them to leave my templates alone. This is basically why I created Low Variables, which we'll install now. I've already put all the files in place, so first up is the Extension Manager. Go to the Extensions Manager and enable Low Variables extension. This will also install the module. Make sure the jQuery extension is enabled too. The module needs it to function properly. Now edit the settings. First, enter your license key. The module will not work without one. Then, enter a variable prefix. Defining a prefix will allow you to show or hide certain variables based on the name you give them. You can also leave it blank. We'll enter low here, and we'll choose to show the variables with that prefix. Next, we'll select which member groups are allowed to manage the variables. Variable managers can create and delete variables, as well as edit their properties. We'll ignore any prefix rules for variable managers, so they will always see all the available ones. Next, we'll group the variables based on their names and turn on early parsing. This enables you to select which variables are parsed early in the parsing order, effectively turning them into path.php variables. Okay, let's go to the module page. As you can see, the module is already installed. This is the home page of the module. All the variables that already exist are displayed here, grouped based on their names. There's also an ungrouped group for variables without a group name. Your regular users will only see this screen. Variable managers will see these tabs as well. This is the overview list of all available variables where you can perform some batch operations like delete, enabling or disabling early parsing, or changing the variable type to one of the available types. Click on a variable name to edit, or click this tab to create a new one. Enter a valid name. Use an underscore to separate prefix, group name and display name. You can optionally add a label and notes to the variable. You can use that for instructions, for example. Then set the display order and enable early parsing if you want. The default type for a variable is text area, but there are many more to choose from. Each type has its own settings, so you can customize it even further. When creating a new variable, you can also set its initial value here. Now let's take a closer look at the example site. There are variables in place that set the logo image source and class attributes. Changing them is a piece of cake with low variables. Check out how I improved the site with just a few clicks. Right, that's all for now. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.